What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we want to learn how to crop inside of Premiere Pro. Now, crop has changed a lot inside of Premiere Pro. That's why I'm going over this today. This is a beginner tutorial, not an expert tutorial, so let's get started. So traditionally, inside of Premiere Pro, we would go to Window, Effects, and type in crop. You can totally still do that, drag crop onto your footage, and then crop left, top, right, all that stuff. Or there's a couple new ways to do this, which are a little faster. So click your footage that you want to crop. On the bottom left of your program monitor, there's this called transform, drop down, then click crop. From here, you can actually crop your video directly like you would do in any other program. If you hold shift, it crops it proportionally, all that stuff. So let's crop our video just like so. Now within the motion tags, to go a little faster, you can see there's also crop points here. So let's do crop left, yada, 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 yada. And I want it to be a crop reveal. So let's do this really simply. Let's crop left, keyframe it by clicking the toggle animation. This is the start, and then the stop is going to be a full crop, which is a wipe. From here, we can see the two keyframes. Let's just do this, do this. It's going to play for a second, and then it's going to have a nice crop. From here, let's put these together more. Right-click this, ease out. Right-click this, ease in. Let's grab this little anchor point. Let's drag it to make it more of a dynamic crop. And that's how we make a quick crop wipe transition inside of Premiere Pro. And another way that's really cool to do this is if we just have it blank here, we can actually keyframe every single crop right here. It creates the keyframe, and then we go down the timeline, and we click our crop tool once again, and we change the crop. Let's just do it randomly. Who cares? It actually created more keyframes. Right-click, ease out. Right-click, ease in. And we can see that it created a custom crop that what we chose it to. That is another pretty cool feature to do it really quickly inside of Premiere Pro. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on screen. It helps me out a ton.